Did you know that Windows has a built-in tool to verify the compatibility of all your drivers in your operating system, or to see if your current drivers are compatible with older software, or if drivers are causing crashes or bugs in your system? Let me show you. All right, first thing you're going to do is either click the Windows key on your keyboard or click the Start menu on your screen. I mean, you type in CMD for command prompt. You're going to run command prompt as administrator. I have mine to always run as administrator, so I don't have to click that. Right, once you're in here, you're going to type in verifier, V-E-R-I-F-R-D-R, just like that. You're going to hit enter. It's going to open the driver verifier manager. Now, there are several options here. If you want to play with this to kind of learn what you're doing, beyond what I'm explaining to you, please, before doing anything, create a restore point. You can do that by clicking the Windows key on your keyboard and typing in create. Literally typing the word create a restore point pops up. You click on it, and you click on create. That simple. Okay? So it automatically pops up, create standard settings. We're going to click next. Now, automatically select unsigned drivers, automatically select drivers built for older versions of Windows, automatically select all drivers installed in this computer. So if we automatically select unsigned drivers and we hit next, it'll scan all the drivers that are unsigned in your computer. If there are any, it'll populate, and then you have the ability to update those drivers or install the new ones. On automatically select drivers built for an older version of Windows, so I have Windows 11 right now. I know it looks like 10, but this is running Windows 11 Pro. If I select this, it'll tell me what drivers I have in the system. So this is an I/O driver that I carried over from Windows 10. I can run that, and then when I restart the computer, it'll automatically run a test, a verifier, on the driver to make sure it's not causing crashes or bugs and it's compatible. If you go to a different option here, like Create Custom Settings, obviously it says for code developers, click Next. You can select what driver it is, a full list of everything here. You can select what option, rather. Driver's not the right word. We want to select what option it is here, and you hit Next. It'll give you the ability to scan to make sure that whatever code you're creating is, you're doing it the right way, that way the drivers are working how they need to work. Oh, let's go back up to Create Standard Settings. Automatically select all drivers installed in this computer. If you do this and you click Finish, again, it's going to prompt to restart. On the restart, all the drivers that are in the computer will be scanned. If there's any drivers that have bugs, or they're unsigned, or they're causing crashes, this program will show you what they are, and it'll give you the ability to fix them so you no longer have crashes in your computer. I'm not sure how many of you are aware, but drivers, especially graphics drivers, are one of the #1 causes for computer issues, of your computer freezing, obviously outside of viruses, or your computer randomly shutting down in games. 9 times out of 10, we're installing drivers on top of drivers and just causing issues. So this program helps show you what drivers are causing issues in your computer, and it gives you the ability to fix them and repair them. That way you have no more issues going forward. If you like these tips and tricks, please give me a follow and a like. If you have any comments, leave a question down below. Thank you again.